So students, by mistake my video was stopped. Now I am continuing from there where I have stopped. Now students, we are solving for probability of A, that is Na upon Ns. So if you do cancellation by 4, you will get 4 4 ja and 4 5 ja. So here you are going to get 4 upon 5. So probability of event A is 4 upon 5. Now we will move to event B. Now what is event B? Event B is what you want to get multiple of 5. Okay, a multiple of 5. So you have to write those numbers which are multiple of 5. Now let us search for that. See, multiple of 5 means what? You will have either 5 at unit place or 0. But for this question you are going to have only 5. So what are the numbers? 25, 35, then you have 75 and 95. So let us write that. You have 25, 35, 75, 79. So here you have NB equals to 4. Now let us find out probability of B. What is the formula? NB upon NS. So let us simplify this. This is 4 upon 20. Now do cancellation by 4. So 4 1 ja and 4 5 ja. So in this case you are going to get probability of event B is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay students, so in this way we have completed question number 4. Now we will solve question number 5. Students, see question number 5. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is an ace card and second one is spade card. Okay, now this is the question related to cards. So let me explain what are the cards. Okay, so let us do that first. So students, let me explain you what is the pattern in the card. See students, there are 52 playing cards. Overall you will see there are only 52 playing cards. Okay, now from these 52 playing cards you are going to see 26 cards which are red in color and 26 cards which are black in color. Okay, so what you have understood from here? From this, there are how many playing cards? 52. And from that 52 playing cards, 26 cards are red in color and 26 cards are black in color. Now from this red card, you are going to see two types of card. 13 cards which are called heart card and 13 cards which are called diamond card. Okay, so from this 26 red card, you can see 13 cards are of heart and 13 cards are of diamond. And from this black card, you will see 13 cards are of club and 13 cards are of spade. So students, what you should learn? First thing is what you should know, out of 52 playing cards, 26 cards are in red in color and 26 cards are in black in color. Then you should know what are the red cards. In red card you have two variety. First is heart and second one is diamond, and both are 13 in number. Similarly, in black card you will find 13 cards are of club and 13 cards are of spade. Okay, so understood now? 13 13 13 13, that means 52 playing cards. Now let me tell you what are these 13 cards. First thing is what you should have ace card. Then you have numbers like 2, starting from 2 because ace card is 1. So ace card, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these numbers are there. Ace card means 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 cards you can see here. Then you have king, queen and jack. Okay, so in this way you will find these 13 cards in each variety. Like in heart you will see these 13 cards, then you will see 13 cards in diamond of this variety, then 13 cards in club and 13 cards in spade. Now students, you should understand, in each heart, diamond, club, spade, in each of these you will find ace card, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you will find king in heart also, diamond also, club also, and spade. Then you will also find queen in each of the four. Then you will find jack in heart, diamond, club, and spade. So you can see each card is 4 times repeating, right? You will have 4 ace cards, 4 2 card, 4 3 card, 4 4 card, 4 5 card, 4 6 card, 4 king card, 4 queen card, 4 jack card. And students, remember this, these 3 cards, king, queen, and jack, are known as face card. Why we call it face? Because you know, king in card, queen, king, and jack, you will see the face of either king or queen or jack. Okay, so that is why these 3 cards, king, queen, and jack, are known as face card. Okay students, so you should understand this concept of playing cards, then only you will be able to solve question number 5. Okay, so you should know there are 52 playing cards, and in that you are going to have 26 red card and 26 black card. In these red cards you are going to have 13 heart and 13 diamond, and in black card you are having 13 club and 13 spade. And what are the 13 cards you can see here. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 5. Okay, see the question. A card is drawn from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is an ace card and second one is spade card. So let me solve this question for you. Okay, so first thing is what we will suppose. Let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space. Now see, one card is drawn, so obviously there are 52 playing cards, so you are going to have ns is equal to 52 because any card will come, right? So here you are going to have ns 52. Now we will solve events. Let event A, what is event A? An ace card. Now you tell me how many ace cards are there. See, you are going to have ace card in heart, ace card in diamond, ace card in club, and ace card in spade. So total there are 4 ace cards. So here NA will be 4. Now let us find out probability of A. What is the formula? NA upon NS. So that gives you 4 upon 52. Now cancel it by 4. So 4 1 ja 4, and here 4 1 ja 4, 1 is remaining, 4 3 ja 12. So you are going to get 1 upon 13 in event A. Now let us solve event B. What is event B? A spade. Now, how many spade cards are there? That you know, right? So NB is how much? 13, because there are 13 spade cards. Now PB is equal to NB upon NS. What is NB here? 13, NS 52. Do the cancellation by 13. So 13 1 ja and 13 4 ja. So here you are going to get 1 upon 4. Okay students, so this question I have solved. Now I am going to give you some more questions in this, and that you are going to solve. Okay, so let me give you homework. HW, see, you will take event C face card. Then you will take event D red card. Then you will take event E. Event E will be numbers from 2 to 5 including, means you are going to have numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then let me tell you one more example. Event F. Event F is king of red card. King of red card. So these 4 questions you are going to solve by your own, and you will send me the solution of these 4 questions after attending today's video. Okay, thank you students.